Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this bag. It's amazing. I absolutely love it. This is how big it is, but is it? Of course not. So you do have one zipper in the back with a nice little pocket. This comes with a strap that you can put on. I love that you have the metal part there. It makes it more secure. And this is adjustable, so you can use it as a shoulder bag or make it longer for a cross body bag. When you're traveling, let's say you have a lot of items that you purchased, all you do is you open this up, unzip it, and voila, you have a bag. So then we're gonna take the strap off from back here, and you can put the strap on the top. This bag is so great. If you don't need this huge bag, you can snap the sides and it makes it a little bit smaller and sort of that more of a, like a duffel bag shape. This back part that we opened becomes a pocket. So you're going to fold this up and then zip it around, and this is a usable pocket as well. So look at that, very nice. But let's say you have more stuff. Oh, never fear, because you can unzip the bottom portion and the bag grows even more. Okay, so it's as big as it gets now. You have this really nice zipper pocket right here. You have the part that you can put your pulley bag suitcase. You can put this right onto the top of that. On the other side, we already saw this. This is the pocket that unzips. And on the inside, you have another zipper pocket right here with a nice big pouch. And in the front, you have a pocket here and a pocket here. Pockets, pockets, pockets. This is water resistant and amazing. I love this bag. These are great for travel. I take one of these types of bags every time I travel. It's great. You can also use these when you're returning home with all of your souvenirs. So let's put some stuff inside and see what it looks like. How cute is this bag? I love it. This bag is so great. The foldability, the expandability is incredible. Super lightweight, and you have pockets galore. This comes in a variety of colors, and it is the perfect bag for overnight, for gym workouts, shopping trips, moving, and travel. Love this for travel because you can use this while you are touring the city. And moms, come on, I'm showing you with all of these coats. You can put all the coats in here. And then when you have your souvenirs to bring home, it has that great handle on the back that is going to slide over your suitcase. Can't say enough great things about this. Check this one out.